Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I am Bandit are in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So today we have customization number 3 for FabFitFun and the spoilers that they have released so far with some details. So let's get right into this. The very first item is by Dr. Jart, and it is a Cica Pear Tiger Grass Corrector. It's 50 milliliters and it has an SPF of 30 and a $54 value. So it says it's a green to beige Korean color corrector powered by Centella Asiatica extracts, instantly neutralizing redness for smoother, more even-toned complexion. It calms, hydrates, and protects with an SPF of 30, making it a skincare meets sun care essential and a cult favorite for lighter skin tones. Now, I gotta be honest, I have rosacea. I fall for every time they say it's gonna reduce redness, and so far, it's not the rosacea redness that it's reducing, but who knows, maybe this will end up just for research purposes at my house. So you are going to warm some up and then press it into your skin. So it will change from green to beige as you blend out, and it's going to even out that skin tone. Now, this is a US only, and from my recollection, they are neither cruelty-free nor vegan. All right, next up, one of my favorite brands, Glow Recipe. This is the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Yes, 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 please. So it's formulated with vitamin C and guava, and it fades dark spots and evens skin tone while boosting radiance. It's going to work on all skin types to prevent future discoloration, particularly with those acne spots. Works very well for that. And it says to expect a brighter, more even complexion over time. So this brand is vegan and cruelty-free. Most of their products smell delightful like fresh fruit, and it says to use this 3 to 4 times a week, gradually increasing the usage. With all vitamin C products, you want to store it in a cool, dry place out of sunlight. So some of the ingredients in here, they have guava fruit extract, they have guajava seed oil, apple fruit extract, banana fruit extract, apricot kernel extract, pear fruit extract, raspberry fruit extract. I mean, this is just a fruit salad on your face, and I'm all for it. There are no shipping restrictions on this, so you can get it anywhere. All right, we are back to another Rare Beauty product, and this is their Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush in Cheer, Hope, Happy, or Joy. $27. I would like all of that, some cheer, hope, happy, and joy. If I were to get this, I would probably go with maybe cheer for a very light flush, or maybe hope for something for more evenings. I don't know. It does say it goes on smoothly and creates a natural flush, like a lit from within kind of look. It's richly pigmented and includes shimmering pearls for subtle dimension and glow. And it says, fun fact, Cheer, which is the lightest one, is Selena's favorite blush shade. This brand is vegan and cruelty-free, paraben-free, and suitable for even sensitive skin, and ships everywhere. Next, we have some more jewelry. We have by Electric Picks their Camilla necklace in gold or silver tone. It's a $68 value. Super cute. I think I would like this in the silver. It's plated in 14 karat gold or sterling silver and has a 16-inch chain with a 2-inch extender. The stones are going to be cubic zirconia, and this brand is female founded and ships everywhere. All right, next is one of the cutest spoilers I have seen, and that is the Modern Picnic Lunch Bag. This is a $48 value, and it is so super cute. I love the color. It's kind of like a burgundy meets taupe to me. I don't But it is a practical cooler. It's insulated, and it has a magnetic closure to keep your items secure. It is about 15 inches by 10 inches by 1 inch. And the materials are, the shell is 100% polyester, and the lining is a PIVA, which is a polyethylene vinyl acetate. This is female founded, and it ships everywhere. Next is the Citrine Cream and Sugar Set and Talking Pumpkins Table Salt and Pepper Shaker Bundle. This is a $75 value. This is going to look great on your fall, on your Thanksgiving tablescape. Like just the cream color, the pumpkins being in cream, definitely going to really just look so nice on that tablescape, and going to go very nicely with all of the other home goods type items that they have. So you're going to get a ceramic creamer pitcher and a lidded sugar pot, and that's from the brand Citrine. And there's going to be some coffee mugs that are going to pair very nicely with this in, I think, a different category. Not sure which category. It could be this one, but I think it's category 1 or 2. It's going to pair very nicely with those. So it'll kind of be like a very pretty kind of after dinner coffee setup for you. The creamer and sugar are 2.75 by 2.75 by 3.875 inches, and the salt and pepper shakers are 2.4 by 2.4. Adorable little pumpkins. They are microwave and dishwasher safe. However, it may get hot in the microwave, so be careful when you're taking it out. The salt and pepper shakers, that's for the creamer and sugar. Now, the salt and pepper shakers are hand wash only, and there are no shipping restrictions on this. All right, next by Stony Clover, and this is an expensive brand. It's the Stony Clover Lane zipped card case. So this is just one of these little card keepers. This is a $48 value. It's an adorable flamingo pink color, but I kind of get more spring or summer vibes from that. That's not a fall vibe to me. So I think they kind of went wrong with the color they picked for this. Don't get me wrong, I would gravitate towards this color 100% of the time. But we're thinking fall, so we're thinking kind of the colors in my shirt, right? We're looking for these types of colors in the fall. We're kind of trying to get that more fall vibe. It does have gold-toned hardware on it and a slim profile. It is 5.5 by 1 by 4 inches. You're going to wipe this clean with a cloth. And it says it's made of nylon. This is a female-founded company and ships everywhere. Next, by Carasilk, is their multi-benefit hair oil. This is a $35 value. And it says that it's lightweight yet nourishing. It blends biometric silk and shea oil to deliver smoothness and shine. It offers heat protection up to 230 degrees Celsius, that's 446 Fahrenheit, seals split ends, tames flyaways, going to give you a frizz-free hair that's going to last up to 72 hours. Now, I don't know who's going 72 hours without washing their hair, but goodness, that's a long time. Maybe some of you can do it. I can't. I've never been able to. I have fine, thin hair. This stuff's got to get washed at a minimum every other day. And when I was younger, once a day, maybe twice a day, it was so oily. It is completely vegan, and it's a versatile addition to your hair care routine. You're going to get 1.6 fluid ounces, and it cannot ship to the UK. And then last, we have another digital offer, and this is a 3-month access to Eros, a matchmaking platform. This is a $297 value. It's a video-based matchmaking platform designed to curate matches, plan virtual first dates, and lead to deeper, more meaningful connections. No endless swiping or scrolling, just real matches and intentional first dates. So again, they're going to give you a code, and then you can go online and redeem that. You're going to build your profile, share a little bit about yourself, verify your identity, and let them know when you're available for a video date. From there, you'll start receiving up to 3 anonymous match profiles a week, Your matches are curated specifically for you without names or photos up front. Choose the match or matches you'd like to meet. If both of you say yes, they'll schedule a 30-minute video date. When it's time for your video date, log in and enjoy getting to know your match. After the date, fill out a feedback form to share how it went and whether you'd like to see that person again. And if you both say yes to the second date, they'll follow up with the next steps. So if you're single, that may be, the right thing for you. I am not, so that is not even on my radar. I tell my husband, I'm a one and done kind of gal. I can't do that again. All right, so what is on my radar? Now, this category is going to break me because I want like almost everything. So the secret pair, I'm intrigued by it, but I don't know that I'm going to pick that. I'm intrigued as to whether or not it'll actually work. The guava recipe, the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C, I'm going to have to check and see if I have that. I may have that somewhere. If so, I probably won't add that, only because I already have it. Do I need another blush? I do not. I do not need, I have so many blushes. Might I get it? You might see it. I'm not going to lie. You might see it. The necklace, I love my jewelry. That lunch bag, come on home, baby. You know you're coming here. The cream and sugar set and the pumpkin, yep. Look, it's going to go with the silicone and all the little kitchen things together. It's going to be so great. And the carousel, that also, I've got the hair care addiction. It might have to come with me. I don't know. We'll see. Oftentimes, they'll have these curated boxes, which was my problem last time, so I put them all in my box. I forgot to take some of them out. So they'll have these curated boxes, which is a good way to get one of, so they'll have like a kitchen one. And they'll have mostly kitchen stuff, but then sometimes they'll have like a random hair tie or something weird. Like, okay, whatever. So, so we'll see what they end up offering. And stay tuned for the next few categories as they drop. All right, well, let me know what would be in your box if you get it, or if you don't. If you do get it, what you think you're gonna put in your box. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.